How to sign up for AWeber affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for AWeber affiliate program. If you are looking to earn commission by promoting a leading email marketing platform, you are in the right place. So what exactly is AWeber affiliate program? It's a fantastic chance for you to earn money by referring customer to AWeber, a top-notch email marketing platform. When someone you refer becomes a paying AWeber customer, you will earn a commission. It's a win-win for both of you and your audience. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. And once you click the link, you land on this page. Scroll down to the bottom of page and here you will see an option of customer referral program. Click on it. After clicking the link, you will land on this page and here you can see it is written earn up to 50% on your AWeber referrals. Then click on start getting paid. Once you click on start getting paid, you'll be directed to the AWeber affiliate application form. Provide your personal detail including your name, email address, website URL and PayPal email for commissions payout. Once you are done, take a moment to double check all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Then click on create my free account. By clicking create my free account, this means you have read and agreed to the customer referral agreement. If you haven't read them, just click on customer referral agreement. If you haven't read them, click on customer referral agreement and the agreement will open here. Once you are done reading it, go back to the website and click on create my free account. After submitting, the AWeber team will review your application. Approval typically takes a few business days, so keep an eye on your email for updates. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email notification granting you access to your AWeber affiliate dashboard. Inside your dashboard, you'll find your unique affiliate tracking links, promotional materials, and detailed report on your referral and earnings. Once you are done, congratulations! You are now officially part of the AWeber affiliate program. You're all set to promoting AWeber and earning commissions. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.